Dali!
Hi guys! At so, today, Viva Mommy's unboxing.
Wait lang, Liana. You might get hurt.
I'm not gonna hurt. Yeah. It's gonna be opening.
Wait lang.
I'm going to use my scissors.
No need
This
na.
one natin na. When I'll help you. O, you open it na. Come here. O, you open
Ayan
it na.
na.
O, you open it. No,
No,
you
okay.
pull it. You pull it like this. Okay.
Show it to the camera. Wait lang. Careful.
It's so cardboard.
It's on cardboard.
Do not cut. Sorry, wait.
Oh.
Oh, wait lang, Liana.
There's so many
Eh,
cardboard.
Okay.
Dito lang, ginugupit ko pa lang naman.
Oh wow.
Oo. Wait. The tape. Oh. There, careful.
Okay, show it. Show it here. No, we're gonna inspect it first. We're gonna inspect. Wow. Wow, it's Mommy's new tumbler. Wait lang. I'm checking kasi.
Mommy's new tumbler.
Yeah.
Pagilid yun eh. Kita yung gilid.
Tapos, pa namin, ala ko mini. Ito.
Alala ko na eh. Pwede na. Kasi. This one also, I can't remove the tape.
Can you take it off?
Yan na.
Ay, do not scratch it. You're not gonna scratch it just like this. Now scratch it.
ASMR.
Oh, it's okay na.
Yay!
We're gonna cut the cardboard.
No, we're not. We're done.
Bye.